Oh, hey everyone, it's Mr. Monday here today. I didn't notice the recording started. Uh, Hopefully everyone's having a good day today. Today I just decided to make a vlog because I haven't done one in a while, and I just want to do a vlog of me solving a Rubik's Cube, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Um, Here we go. It's not the best type of Rubik's Cube, it's just the Rubik's Cube brand Rubik's Cube. But apparently they're the worst kind. Okay. Okay. I need to get green. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Done with middle layer. I just need to get to the top now. Or the cross, I should say. Got the cross. Now I just need to solve the cross. That's all I'm doing right now. Solving the cross. See, solved it. Now I just need to solve the there. Wait a second, I'll get it in camera. See that right here. And he solved that. And it's done. How's that? Thank you guys for. My ceiling is like literally on my head right now. It's really short. I'm on a bunk bed, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see all you guys in the next. I have a light over here, and it's just I decided to put it in my face so you guys can see me better. I don't know if it looks weird or not, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, give this video a like, and I will hopefully make some more vlogs like this. I could probably even make a video on how to solve it. But yeah, that's about it. Skeleton. Cool. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.